Here's the secret to a clean mattress. Stains and dirt disappear immediately, and dust mites, mold, and fungi are eliminated. Mattress companies don't want you to know about this. With this simple trick, your mattress will last for years. You'll need a large bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda to it. Baking soda will be responsible for eliminating germs and bacteria. Next, add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste, preferably white. Grab some fabric softener and add 2 tablespoons to the bowl. Mix everything well. Finally, add water and mix it again. Dip a clean towel or cloth into the mixture. Wring out any excess liquid so the towel is damp but not soaked. Lay the towel on the mattress. Place an iron, wrapped in the towel, on top of the mixture. Iron the mattress with the towel-covered iron. There's no need to dry the mattress in the sun. Ironing the mixture will dry it instantly. Now your mattress is clean, dry, fresh, and free from bacteria.